You're watching how Leap lets transfer contacts from one iPhone to another. The easiest method is using iCloud. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Make sure the contacts toggle is switched on. This uploads your contacts to iCloud. Now on your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID during setup. Go to Settings, tap your name, tap iCloud, and make sure Contacts is turned on. Your contacts will automatically sync and appear. You can also use Quick Start, turn on the new iPhone and place it near the old one. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose Transfer from iPhone to wirelessly copy all data, including contacts. For a manual option, use AirDrop on both phones. Enable AirDrop in Control Center. Open Contacts on the old phone. Select all, tap Share, choose AirDrop, and select your new iPhone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.